Francois, hello. It's good to see you.
Good to see you again.
So could you introduce yourself first?
Yes, so my name is Francois Baudet and I am the Iconis France manager.
Okay. So Iconis has recently joined Mitsubishi Electric family, and I think that it's a very well-known software supplier. But maybe could you introduce the company just a little bit for us?
Yes, so Iconis provide automation software that visualize, historize, analyze, and mobilize real-time informations for any applications on any device. Iconis is a 35 years experienced company in automation software. We are a global presence worldwide, and we joined Mitsubishi Electric in 2019. And now we address the industry market and of course the food and beverage market as is part of our key domains to address our customers.
Okay. So I think one of the reasons why we joined forces was that your software solutions are basically adding to our portfolio of the hardware components. So definitely there is some synergy there. And of course we have our own experiences. But could you share from your perspective, what is typical customer demand when it comes to the software products in manufacturing?
So first, I would like to say that the big value now is to have one global offer with the software and hardware technology all together. That makes sense for the customer to have one single interlocutor. But in terms of our software, what is the value? The value that we offer. First, we offer the data connectivity. Means that we need to connect the value from the OT levels based on OPC UA, for example. So we have also the IoT connectivity. We have also the IT connectivity. And after that, we have a data platform. A data platform means data management, where we aggregate the value, we centralize the value, we do a data historian on the value, and we organize the value to expose the data to our data viz. Data viz means that we provide high-level user experience based on our technology HTML5. And the key point of our solutions will be to be able to customize and design an application based on the customer requirement without no code, no script. This is our slogan that we would like to explain. So it makes something easy for the customer to create his own applications.
So generally the value lays in the platform where you can put all your data, and then what you will use, how you will use the data, is a completely different story. But you need like a one platform to have the information to make a use of it, yeah?
Yes, that's correct. That's correct. And this is the new way and the new suite software. Now we have combinations between Iconis and MailSoft. This is new also for us, and we can have a global offer to offer a digital platform to our customer. That is true. And on the Iconis side, our offer is to provide MOM applications. MOM means manufacturing operations management, which is offer SCADA level, data historians. We offer batch software. We offer MES software, analytics, and for sure we have also the interoperability with third-party software for the customer. And we can complete with the MailSoft suite, and we can offer digital twins with the 3D simulations with Gemini. And the last is one of the key points is artificial intelligence with MyLab.
Mm-hmm. So basically you are able to connect all of our key software technologies into your platform, and then together it creates a completely new value. That's basically how it works, right?
Yes, right.
Today I am having some conversations, and I'd like to understand, let's say, also the future trends. So in your opinion, what is the technology that has the potential to disrupt manufacturing the most?
Okay, the disrupting informations and value for the customer, and we are in contact with so many customers, and the feedback is artificial intelligence. And this is the next step for us. And of course, we have now software solutions based on MyLab. And the value of MyLab, you don't need to be data scientist to use the software. You don't need to have many years of historian values to do the offline analysis. And the key point for the customer, he can use very easily our software to analyze some setting goals like quality control, like performance of productions, like predictive maintenance, reduce energy consumptions, reduce the cost exploitations as well. And based on that, it can do online analysis to get some predictions to adjust the process and the setting points to make the process better.
So in essence, the future of manufacturing is in artificial intelligence, most likely, and then you don't need to create like a very advanced systems that require like a lot of data scientists. So you can use the tools that let you use artificial intelligence step by step in a given context. Is that correct?
Yes, you are true. And the value of my lab is to be closer to the production line. That is one of the key factors. So it will be very helpful for the customer to get value, analyze the value in real times, and adjust the productions in real times to predict an issue or a maintenance or any key point for him.
Okay. Thank you for today, and I hope to see you later.
See you later. Thank you, Piotr.